Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add a field to a report in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a field to a report in Salesforce is a straightforward process that can serve various strategic and operational purposes. Because for one, you may want to include additional data to give a more comprehensive view of the records being reported, such as adding customer email address, opportunity close dates, or lead source information to better understand the data context. Once you are logged into your Salesforce account, I want you to hover to the top corner wherein you can see the reports tab. And from here, if you haven't already created any report, you might want to click on the new report. Now, depending on your goals and needs, all right, for example, if you want to track specific KPIs or key performance indicators, you might want to choose something like a customer support reports with maybe, let's say, case history. Okay, so let's do that. Let's click on create. It'll take a little while. And from here, now, for us to be able to add specific fields to the report types or report here in Salesforce, all you have to do is click on this show and click on the conditional highlighting wherein we can select a field. For example, I'm going to put in a record count. On this side, I'm going to put in record counts. And this will add, no, probably not this one, just one. Adding this values right here, for example, record count, going to put in something like that. Click on OK, and you see, next option that you can do to add a field to a report in Salesforce is, for example, I'm going to put in a type, drag and drop it here on the report that you are using. All right, of course you can do that as many as fields as you want here on the report. Now, after that, all you have to do is click on the run report if you wanted. You see that? Because doing so improves the utility of the report, making it more relevant and actionable depending on the business objective. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.